Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girls Alicia and Elise, and I'm Alicia, and I have this gorgeous unit featuring Hermosa hair. So if you guys are interested in this unit, definitely check down below in the description area where everything's going to be linked for you. But this time around, I got the opportunity to pick up their Glueless Poppin' Curl unit. You guys can see this unit is pre-everything, so it's going to have that pre-cut lace. That lace is clear HD, so it's going to blend right into all complexions. It also has those pre-bleached knots, that contoured ear area, so you're gonna get a very comfortable fit and you don't have to do any additional cutting. It also features those combs on the inside, so you don't have to put any adhesives, as well as that elastic strap, so you do have a secure fit. Now your unit will come ready to wear, so you don't have to do any additional styling with this one. However, I just want to make it look nice and fluffy and curly, so what I did was spritz a little bit of water along that hairline, and now I'm taking some gel and just slicking down those edges just so that it has a ready to wear look. You guys can see that those edges are pre-plucked, so it's going to give you a very natural look. I also like to set those edges using an elastic strap just so that it's ready to wear and I don't have to do any styling later. Now as far as these curls, these are a bit of a puffy, kinky, curly look. So what I'm going to do again is spritz it with some water and apply a little bit of my styler throughout the unit. I'm not doing anything major. I'm just applying some product to get rid of the frizz that it came with, and I'm also going to use my curl defining brush just to get those curls to pop. Y'all can see just how gorgeous these curls came out. I'm absolutely loving Hermosa hair's poppin' curl. So for those of you guys who like to wear your hair and it gets a little bit frizzy, just a little bit of water and a curl defining brush will get those curls poppin'. But y'all, what I'm going to do now is go ahead and get this unit on. Again, this is their glueless unit, so I'm going to show you what I do to install this unit without any adhesives. And one thing I do absolutely love is those contoured ear area, so you don't have to do any additional cutting. The fit feels very secure, but I will say for those of you guys who have a darker complexion, I would definitely recommend using a bit of some foundation powder or liquid foundation just to get that lace to blend better into your complexion, because when the unit isn't adhered down, it just looks much lighter than it should. But what I am going to do, which is totally optional, I know most of you guys do not like this, but I am going to cut in some baby hairs with my unit. It's very easy. I'm just going to take out as much as I want. I'm going to cut them down, and I'm going to use a little bit of my foaming wrap mousse just to lay them. Again, this is completely optional. I just like to take a little bit of the hair and kind of swoop it. I'm going to add some more baby hairs a little later just because I feel like something was missing. So baby hairs really kind of complete the look, especially when you're not adhering the unit down. But this is Hermosa hair's poppin' curly unit, so this unit does get much bigger and very natural looking, so I definitely recommend going through the hair and manipulating it a lot. Again, if you apply a good product to this unit, those curls will not frizz up on you. They're just gonna look nice and voluminous and natural looking. Okay, y'all, so this is how my unit is now looking. Y'all can see just how voluminous and gorgeous these curls are. Oh my gosh, the density of this one is good. Now I did get a little bit of frizz, but just a little bit of water will really bring this unit back to life. Y'all can see just how poppin' those curls are, and the application on this one is flawless. Now my unit is in the inch 18, so this is where it falls on me. Y'all, these curls do stretch out, so this 18 inch is very natural looking, and the density of this unit is, I believe, 250 or 200. I will link it down below. Y'all, I did not adhere this unit down. It is not slipping. The fit of this is A1. You're gonna get those elastic straps on the inside and those combs, so this unit will not slip off or slip back. Those curls are popping. It's so soft and so natural looking. Again, y'all, this unit does come from Hermosa hair. This is their poppin' curl unit, 100% glueless. You don't have to do any gluing of this one, and it looks very natural. Y'all, let me know what you think of this one. Is it a yay or nay? Let me know. Y'all, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.